Hey everyone, today we learn how to color grade the text and also add keyframe animation. Let's jump to the screen.
Take a text, write text. Now you can easily change the font, color or everything from here, essential graphics. If you don't see this, just open the window, then click the essential graphics. Then you can see here the essential graphics. If you scroll down, then you can see the font here and you can easily change the font. Double click mouse, select all text and then change the font here. You want to select any font, like I'm select the Roboto black. Then you can change the color from here. Always ensure you select all of the text. Then select color from here. You can easily add red, yellow, green. If I select yellow, then okay, you can see the text is yellow. Now if we select the all text, then you can change the text size from here 150, then okay, text will be big, okay, then again we need to adjust, click this to middle, then we can add animation, just down it. Also we can change it from selection tool, like drag and drop to it, then add a keyframe, then move. Then if we increase this, then again text is middle, okay, little bit easy animation that is. If we want to add some, then we need to go into effect, need to find Gaussian blur. If we write blur, you can see here the Gaussian blur and take it, drag and drop here on the text. If you come back to the effect, you can see Gaussian blur, select here, add a keyframe, then drag and drop here. We add the blur from the start. If we add 30%, you can see text is blurred. If we need to more smoother the animation, then we need to right click on mouse, then we add edge in. Also we add edge out. If we change this animation like this, it will be fast then slow. Also if we add like this, it's slow then fast. See this, slow then fast. Just select all, copy, then we add from here, paste. You see, this is the coming animation. Then we move the animation from here to here. Then you see it's going back. It's easy, okay? Again, we add to the blur animation. Then we need to copy of them, paste it here. Then we need to move it from here. Text coming back and out from skin.
Welcome back. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and share this video. See you next video. Bye bye.